Everything's not fine. All the people ain't happy, and the river has run dry. You thought you could go free, but the system is done for. If you listen real closely, there's a knock at your
So I guess live is started. Okay. So this is the day two of building. Let me also update the live information. Right, this is the day two. So guys, this is the day two, and today, yesterday we actually did some changes in our app, and we also made some progress in making our web application. So remaining part is to give some more functionalities to app, because it is lacking some features, like for example giving a mobile support, because some of the streamer will not be having a big screen tablet or iPad, anything, right? They may be having just a phone to basically manage. So I want that phone also to be able to achieve the same, and application should be responsive. That is one thing. And after that, we already have made some progress in web app, so we will try to add a sync between our app and our website so that it shares its session. Okay. Then after that, we have already I already have a Razorpay account, so I'll try to use that Razorpay account to take a payment. And for SSO, I'll be using Google's SSO. I have already account in that, and I'll give the auth credits to this project. And later on, for saving the user's data, we'll use MongoDB, and for deploying we will be using Vercel. Okay, this is our deployment flow. Then we will proceed to next thing. I have already purchased the domain for this. Let me show you that domain. It is streampad.online, right? This is launching soon. It's showing launching soon, but that doesn't mean I've deployed anything. It is coming from GoDaddy. Okay, we'll update this soon because our web app is not yet ready. Okay, let's proceed. Let me show you the progress again. This is our website, which will look better next time, but currently it is looking like this. I've just given Claude that we have this DNA how to make this, and it created something like this, but it is not up to the mark. This will not sell because it is lacking some features. For example, user need to know how it will look in tablet and mobile. Let me lower the volume so that it can be more audible, right? So I want that experience to be showcased here, and need some screenshots, need some video explaining that. Also in desktop app, you can see it is showing me download windows, then it is showing me create account, this and that, but this is just a UI. It is not working currently, right? It is just a button, it is not working. Documentation, in documentation they have just given a button, but it is not working button. This day night mode is not required in our case because our app is fully dark mode, right? If I go to features, you can see it has created some components, but it's still not looking good, right? We'll have to improve on this. So actually I had given just one prompt today, 49 minutes ago, and it did something, and after that it has given me session limit. So I've installed anti-gravity for that. Let me log in, right? So you can see I have logged in here. Let's open. We don't have the cursor right now. I had deleted it last time because of some storage issue, but I'll install it again today, I guess. Review driven, agent driven, custom configuration. I think review driven is correct. Extension is okay. Is this for web guidance? Agreed. Okay, this looks good. First of all, we have to tell anti-gravity about our context, right? Let me I'm just opening the file location, not showing you the whole file explorer. Okay, yeah, given here. So just prompt it here that look at this code and have a whole context. Understand the project and make documentation on features. UI, UX, documentation is should be small so that you get the gist of it. Okay, I've given this prompt so that our ID should be knowing what is happening, our agent should be knowing what is happening here, right? Currently we do have, if I go to distribution folder, I can see streampad.exe, but our current streampad actually looks like this: client connect, client disconnect, right? On opening this app, it shows me like this. This shows me, yeah, in iPad you will be looking at some interface like this, right? You can see I am on live right now. It can access, actually, if I click on this, it will stop. If I click on this, it will do emergency stop. If I click on this, it will shut off my camera. If I click on this, it will shut off my mic. It can switch between my scenes, right? I can switch between the scenes from the scene bank. I can do multiple things. I can connect to my chat. Currently nobody commented, so it is looking like this. Let me increase the volume. Yeah. See, Spotify is playing, so I can control the Spotify also here. Let me lower the volume. I can play some sound board here also. Like we have a soundboard apps that basically can be played on click. We can add meme sound or etc. whatever. Then we have a launch button, which is actually used in Steam Deck, right? This is the main feature that Steam Deck does, right? I've also added resolve section here. Resolve section is basically for DaVinci Resolve. It will be helpful in doing some edits if any editor wants to access this, right? I've also given a system section where there is a slider, volume slider, mic slider, and also I have some shortcuts here to actually perform, right? This is our application, but currently this application lacks is responsiveness for the mobile devices, because some users may not be having iPad, right? As I discussed, it shows you all the condition right now: 10 and 10.2 Mbps per second, 60 FPS, DOP 0%, health is good. The CPU right now, memory right now, right? And look at this, latency 0 ms. Let me check what is. Okay, it has summarized it nicely. So it has understood my workflow correctly. Now I want to make this app first responsive. Some features can be hidden for the mobile devices, right? We don't want every features to be added to mobile devices, because this has very small screen and iPad and stuff has bigger screen, right? I don't know if anti-gravity has a plan mode. I don't think so. It has. No. Plan it first. Meanwhile, I also want a cursor to be installed in my device. Let me check. I'm getting a call. Wait a second. So it has created some implementation plan. Let me read it first. The goal is to make ScreenPad iPad control deck responsive for mobile devices. Viewport less than 768 pixels. This involves simplifying this and that. Important is hiding high bandwidth features. We propose. Okay. Can you also make architecture? Not architecture, but make structure to derive the look. Okay. We have some markup products in. Check this markup. Okay, so this mockup I have already created for basically explaining how our buttons and stuff will look, the colors and everything is explained. So our whole SteamPad DNA is actually written in here. How the button will click, right? Everything is here. I've planned this in our starting of the flow so that next time whenever I work with anything, right, so it should have any ID should have understanding how our look and feel should be. Otherwise it can actually hallucinate and creates its own design. I don't want that, right? Again, it created an implementation plan, but it's just a small plan. Read out strip optimization, bottom selected tabs. Okay, let's try to see how it does. Okay. After this implementation, I want that it should have a session stuff, and I'll add a MongoDB credential. I'll add a Google credential so that user can log in and actually work on it. Then I have a plan to actually market this. I have very nice plan for marketing it. We'll explain in next live, right, when this product will be built and we'll be deploying Versal. After that we'll do marketing. Yes. Yeah, I was installing Cursor. Actually, I used to have a Cursor Pro account, but later I actually downloaded Claude and I liked Claude. But Cursor is still good because after limit consumption, Cursor does not like stop you from doing the code. Cursor can still let you work upon in using their own composer model, right? Yeah. Nobody's there. Okay. Okay. I know currently nobody is watching us, but after I market this product, a user will come to see how I made it. So that's why I am. Setup is detected. The setup is currently running. Okay. That's why I want that. I don't want to market yet because I don't want to give my first impression as very bad product, right? I want it to be good. It should be looking good. It should be actually usable to actually work upon, right? I don't want to make an application which is just a fancy application which user rarely uses. I don't want that. I want a application which actually gets benefited from, user get benefited from. Meanwhile, I want to turn on the volume.
Stand up on my shoulders. Tell me what you see. 'Cause I am a giant. We'll be breaking borders underneath our feet. I am a giant. Oh, a giant.
Cursor is installed. Okay, it needs some permission. Let me enable the permission if it is having any full access. It should be always proceed right now.
Gonna shake, roll away in the dirt under me, yeah. Gonna shake, roll away in the dirt under me, yeah. Gonna shake, roll away in the dirt, yeah. Gonna shake, roll away.
This looks good.
Gonna shake, roll away in the dirt, yeah. Gonna shake, roll away.
The automated browser validation sub-agent failed to initialize because of Playwright driver download error. Not found. I would like to proceed. Okay, if it is just validating, then I can actually validate in my own device. Let me lower the volume. Yeah, it has done nothing yet. I guess so. It has done just to HTML and app.css, right? Okay. Let me again have a look. Try again. It is saying to run that shrimpent okay on or compile it from that. Let me exit this. So I do have to actually perform that compiling part, I guess. Run the streampad agent on your PC or compile with .NET. I did actually run. Let me give instruction. Do it for me. because I don't know that if that .NET .NET publisher will work or not, right? Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Since .NET is installed in a PC, this and that, but not a business terminal, I'm calling it from the absolute path. Okay. It is saying me to open the app. Okay. I'll just have to cache this, and it looks something like this. Let me do the SE and XR. Let me open in my own phone. Yeah, it looks the same like it is looking in the PC.
Don't act like you know me, you don't even know my real name. All I want serenity, all you want is fortune and fame. And the code to the gate, which I don't even like to give away. Cause I've been
Let me open the notepad.
I never thought I would. I stay in the hills, I don't even go to Hollywood. Toxic people in my life, man, I probably should cut them all off. Better off if they was gone for good.
Okay, first of all, it is lagging too much. There is some performance issue, 100%. I'll show the response to it.
Throwing temper tantrums in the bathroom, toothpaste all over my switchblade. I wonder if I carve this grin into my skin, my life would be a joke, then I feel better than I did. I wonder if I carve this grin into my skin, my life would be a joke. Yeah, now I'm back. Oh, look at that. You're talking smack. I've been through hell, but now I'm back. When death comes knocking at your door and nothing's left worth fighting for, say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. Kingdom come is falling down. No one's left to save you now. Say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what you're made of. It's been 21 days since I played the news. CNN fucks with my brain and mood. There's only so much that a man can take. Thinking about death in the office place. I stopped sending texts again. I wonder if I'll keep this up. Will I still have friends? People get offended when I don't reply. I feel relieved by the silence, but I don't know why. Yeah, now I'm back. Oh, look at that.
So I want that you agent to decide that what should be eliminated or what should be not. Then in the mobile, it should do the responsive part of coding, right? Let's try. We'll search for app.js for make key. Okay.
Down the street, don't need your prayer, no sympathy. I wear my pride round my neck, so it's best you watch your step. Cause I've been up, I've been down, I've been kicked out on the ground, but I stand tall where I'm at. Been to hell, but now I'm back. When death comes knocking at your door, and nothing's left worth fighting for, say a little prayer and pull the rug. Show me what
Also, I am thinking that our uh, plan of pricing is not actually good. User will not pay for $9 a month. I'm thinking about Indian user, right? International person can pay. This is so a small amount for them. But initially, I want to target our Indians because they have enthusiasm to be a streamer like me, and so they will need this product, right? Always we should have a pricing page for it, not a pricing section in your main page. And we should have a terms and conditions policy pages because Google wants that, because otherwise Google will actually flag your website for it if you don't have it, because uh, Google thinks that you are scamming users maybe, so it will flag you. You have to be mindful of that. Just created the roadmap. Okay, but roadmap is not required. Yeah, it's to do too much changes, man. Let me just. I think I will also take a help of Lovable to create application, web application.
moonlight shining in your eyes. I'm a victim under starry skies. You're a nightmare and I can't wake up. You're a nightmare and I can't wake up. Wake up.
Meanwhile, I can actually deploy the application, right? I can add it to GitHub, for example. Let me open my GitHub. Also, let me run cursor as well. I also want our Steam agent streampad application to be of of a front of a screen, right? I don't want it to running in the terminal, right? So I'll use cursor for that. Open project. Let me switch the scenes. Okay, I'll tell it to understand the project. Okay, I have to just choose composer. So, just give me a break, guys. I'll come in a bit. Yeah. So, first of all, what has done here? Let me read it. It has created module ID, key ID, okay. Hidden modules in mobile. Show entire automation mobile module, okay. The entire sources list module, okay. It should be hidden. Sources can be hidden, yes. The program monitor the preview screen. Yeah, preview is also not needed in mobile. Okay. Remove the extended transport buttons. Yeah, okay. Remove the secondary panic, this and that, okay. Okay. Off vanish, okay. And then what is going to have? Let's see. Okay. Mm-hmm. So let's check if it has done something. The cache. Hmm. Hmm. So it looks yeah, far better now. Go to mixer, go to system. Perfect. Let me check in my mobile device. Also expand so that I can see all the pictures they have. It's there. Perfect. Like, yeah, it looks good.
Always gonna pull up. Wait, I'm a trendsetter. Knowing real better. Flaming like a pepper, yeah, across the later pressure. Hunt for a bigger bag, I'm after all the prey. Hunters, I'ma play, yeah, hit the buffet. Baby got some money and it really cliche. We ain't done me for a couple years, now it's time to play. Couple more cities that I think I shut down on the world tour, yeah, already seen all of it. 30K merch in a month, and my money come in lumps, and I might spaz try and sell a bit. Ay, wrist so cold, ooh, think I need miss. Whole wardrobe be filled with free fits. I'ma pull up on your girl, but she tryna spend my shit, so I ditch her hella quick. Oh boy, feel slit. I work, I grind, I make that bag. I search, I find, I take that bag. Bitch, I'm a babe. Got huggies on my face, yeah, I'm not grown up, but my cradle got drip. Why your bitch? Wanna give me a couple licks, yeah, wanna flex up, put a diamond on my wrist. No records, only hits, that's some big facts. She a misfit, come and get your bitch back. I won't never sign shit, shut the contract. Always adding digits, yeah, never have to subtract. Check up on the growth rate, lady need to hydrate, so she wanna dictate. 4-point bike rate.
So currently I am getting a issue. It was not a bug before, but it has created some code that it is causing some issue. Can you also check why on system section when I am clicking on the buttons, it is showing me send input injected. But does nothing. Okay, give me a second, guys. It's showing me lows.
Devices, the fans, they be watching to see us. Niggas wanna see us, check the IG. I'm in the V, throwing blood up like an IV. Don't try me, days low for the AK. 600 million, 400 million from Drake. Pablo Escobar in my heyday.
Yeah, now it should be fixed. So issue was on, okay, the pointer requires 8 byte boundary alignment in the original sequential C sharp, the struct definition, the compiler failed to insert. Okay, okay. I think understood what it is doing. So many code issue was there, okay. So now it should be fixed. If I go to system and click on, no, it is not fixed. This I think this making of UI can be done later, because maybe currently we will having issue and bugs, but that can be neglected because of this issue. So git initialization कर देते हैं, then we can actually push our changes to GitHub.
Mercury is rising high.
It is adding a git ignore, and actually it is initializing in project root. I don't know about that. We can actually have it in a single GitHub repository. That is okay. So it must have added here. Let me refresh. Git.add. Let me say git build command to For web app, it has created a Next.js project. That is alright.
Mercury in retrograde. Retro. We're flying, but they all stand still. We're spinning in slow motion. Let's find the edge of sanity.
Yeah, I will just.
Imagine all that we could be. Our Mercury is rising. Mercury is rising.
Okay, .git has already been added, so I can. Publish. Streampad, I can actually keep the description later.
One more day, need the feeling that I know. In this space, about that taste.
Okay.
I lost
Everything is deployed.
been out on my own.
No
Till
worries.
you came, all who gave you the control that you take, love we made. If you say you'll be my love, don't be a liar.
How to run and verify this and that. Double click on that. So I have to restart. Let me stop this.
I can't stop the love we made.
Looks fine. Yeah, now it works. Perfect.
You brought me back to life, and now I feel like I'm alive. I can breathe when you're by my side. Need the touch, love the taste. You make it hurt so good how I like. I can't stop the love we made. If you say you'll be my love, don't be a liar. 'Cause I've been taking low, you take me higher. Ooh, higher, 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 higher. I can't stop the love we made. Can we just get it on? Make it go somewhere that is wrong. We can be something that we're not. Feel the heat, flavors
So I guess somebody's viewing us. Let's go.
I can't stop the love we made.
Current UI looks fine.
Don't be a liar. 'Cause I've been taking low, you take me higher.
Let me refresh it again and see how does it look. It looks good.
I can't stop the love we made.
If anybody is watching, do comment, man. That will give me motivation. Okay. Okay, it is asking me to actually close the existing application. Okay, could you this right click on stream pad icon and just exit task manager. Okay, I think the task manager also we have closed it, right? Done.
I wanna give you what you like, everything you fantasize. For one moment with you, girl. I wanna know the nights get old, the dreams
So
we show,
whoever is,
they live forever.
oh shit,
Highs and lows, the
since
money
how
will
long this screen was
get
like this, man? Let me check.
'cause I need more to face the cold. Stop my heart, then let it go. Break the mold, then let it go. Oh, oh, just give me the green light. Tell me if
For
it's
I guess
alright.
4 or 5 minutes.
Just give me the green light.
Current. Okay,
Just
that's
give me
okay.
the green light. I'm begging you this time.
It's fine, man.
Just give me the green light. Just give me the green
For anybody who is watching, to give you guys, to give you context, we are building a Steam pad, and let me show you what is Steam Deck first.
the less you called wasn't me you hated.
So this is a Steam Deck, and it cost too much, 25,000, 24,000, 30,000. So it basically is used for like accessing stuff like music, folders, volume, and website, right? So this is basically shortcut system to basically when you click on this, it will open your Chrome or whatever, right? But it's too expensive and it has too little to offer for the price. So I'm creating an application which is basically going to be used as a Stream Deck, but it will be having much more features with it. For example, I'm going to showcase you again. So see, I can actually stream from here. I can switch between the scenes, and I can actually start recording, do stopping of the recording, and I can actually turn on the wcam, do the replay. I can take a screenshot, switch to studio mode. All the major feature of the OBS can be done from here, and this application will be running in your own mobile device or else in your tablet or whatever, the bigger screen which will be have will be you be having around you, right? You can actually see your chats, you can actually do mixing option of your sounds, you can actually launch some apps from here only. You can click on this notepad and notepad will pop up. Same way, if I click on Brave, it will open the Brave browser. Yeah, the same way that Steam Deck works, same way it is going to be used here, and I can actually do the system shortcuts from here also, and copy paste, play, pause, whatever, right? This is what we are building, and after that I'm going to showcase you how a person can actually make a product like this or whatever product in they may be having in the mind. Then how they can deploy to the Vercel or any other like hosting provider. I've already bought a domain from GoDaddy. For checking for knowing how to buy and stuff, you can check the previous live stream and see how I've bought it. But to give you a gist, I have bought this stream pad.online, right? It has nothing here, but it will be having a website here, and in that website we are going to sell this product. And to sell this product, we will be having a payment gateway connected, and also we'll be having a login system, so that actually uh, I should be knowing, or like my product should be like usable to the users, right? It will be a paid product for free use. We will be giving it for some time. Then after that, I'm assuming you have to pay for it, right? So this is what we are building currently. I'm actually doing work on responsiveness on the product, uh, because in mobile system we can't actually show so much of buttons. So in mobile devices, it will look something like this. It will be having a lesser feature, but it will be more like accessible to do, right? And this is well sufficient things you can perform from here. You can actually switch between the scenes, which is actually needed. No, like one person can actually switch from here to here to here to here. There is no need of opening the OBS for switching every scene. It looks very bad if you are streaming professionally, right? You can actually record and start your webcam. You can actually turn on your streaming. If I click on this, it will stop my streaming. If I click on this and hold for a few seconds, it will actually stop my streaming, as well as mute my mic, everything. It will be an emergency stop. If I click on this, see, you can't see my face now. It actually helps user doing a emergency kill of their camera or mic, right? If something happens, right? So this is the gist of our product. Let me see. Now nobody's watching. Okay, that's fine. कोई बात नहीं. Let's see what it has done. The 3 mute solo under channel strip has hard coded minimum width. Okay.
Fucked up, getting suited. I be at the club, shawty shaking booty. Give the shawty's hands cause she moody. And I send her as an Uber if she foolish. Can't take another second with you on my mind. Yeah, I'd rather die. Can't take another second with you on my mind. You never had no soul, I see it in your eyes. I feel so alone, I wanted to talk.
Actually, I also have to do what's in India. Give me a second, guys.
So there's a nation Asian bitch with the big ass. Please pass. Playing shortstop, first to third base. I move fast. I hit the home run. She need a big dog for them buns. She playing Goldie, Roly-Oly, Polly-Oly. Heard you know me, ravioli. You got like 2 phones, you a phony. Alimony, really ain't about that white shit. Ain't a nosy. Got a couple of the diamonds on my sheet. This boy is cozy, cozy, bum lonely. Running with your mom, no fat. Means bony, ride me like a pony. Screw 4 champ, bitch, fuck a brony. She my meat right, black and Kobe. Ballin' on your city, and she looking like a square, Ballin' on your city, and she saying it ain't fair, Flexing on your city, and she got diamonds in my hair. Wait, this baby's got diamonds in my hair. Fuck it, diamonds on my mom, diamonds on my fork, diamonds on my porch, diamonds on my stove. Copper on your mom, copper on your wrist, copper on your bitch, copper in
Since how long we are streaming, let me check.
You are delirious, money mysterious, the game nefarious, mommy gregarious, diamonds precarious. Fuck the rest of this shit. So there's an Asian bitch with the big ass. Please pass. Playing shortstop, first to third base. I move fast. I hit the home run. She need a big dog for them buns. She playing Goldie.
Let me check.
Heard you know me.
Half
Ravioli. You got like
since 1 hour. Okay, that's nice.
Really ain't about that white shit. Ain't the nosy.
This is me, I guess.
Diamonds on my sheet. This boy is cozy.
Even when it's wet, keep it harder than a sauna. Steaming in bed with my green on the corner. After warm my head just like Mama Tommy. I've been smoking lead, then it smoke got me. You been eating snacks, looking like a snack fast. I've been bouncing back, stat. Every fucking rat glass. If she bucking back, I'ma run it back. Water, even when it's wet, keep it harder than a sauna.
For web, we also need to actually do a git init so that I can actually deploy faster. Not just the whole project. Git init. And let's do this. Now I can add that project.
You got like 2 phones, you a phony. Alimony, really ain't about that white
Okay.
shit. Ain't the nosy. Got a couple of the diamonds on my sheet. This boy is cozy.
It's just too much, bro. Let me add a git ignore in this also. All the node models in the web also should be edited. Right, now it is okay. Initial Steampad web app. Let's go and publish. We can name this as Streampad web. Yeah. And let me open my GitHub. No, directly Vercel I can open. And add a new project. Streampad. Import. Deploy. After that, we need to add a domain. Okay, let me add domain from here. Actually, I'll tell you how to actually add an external bot domain from to the Vercel. Okay, connect external. Let me go to godaddy.com where I did buy from. I'll sign in, go to my product, and search for steampad.online. Here it is. Go to domains. I have to go here, write in streampad.online. Project will be streampad web. Add domain. I have to copy this. And I have to add a new record as A, like it was given there. And as this was name A at the rate, right? Just have to write it here. It added, then we have to copy the Versal DNS and I just have to change my name server because this name server is of GoDaddy, right? We don't want that. It should point to our Versal name server, our hosting server. Copy also this. Let me save this, and that's it. Now Versal can actually handle. Update the DNS record to match record below. This verifies you connect to domain. Remove the following conflicting DNS record. Okay. It is saying me to remove this. Okay. I'll remove that. For that, I need to copy this. I don't want website builder to be actually having access. Delete. Yes. Yes. Zones. Acha. Let me actually go switch to name server again, then actually change the DNS record, then I have to change to our Versal domain. Okay, let me delete. Okay, it has deleted now, and one more was conflicting, right? I think both will be resolved from here. 216, it's R added. Okay, yeah. Now we can actually switch to the name servers. Continue. Okay. Yeah, it connected. Let's go. If I go to Steampad Online, currently it is not going to be shown so fast. It will take time to show you. We can actually check DNS records, dnschecker.org, and search in streampad.online and change this to NS. Right. Did it or not? Okay, it is showing me our own record, right? It should work now. Let me, yeah, our website is live. Let's go. So day one we built some part of app, and day two we actually deployed our website, but this website is not finished. This website has nothing right now, but for a context we actually did deploy our app, web app, right? I just have to change this iPad to a tablet or iPad or mobile, whatever. I have to do better naming, better animation, better showcasing of our product. Remove this white mode. Login should be having done correctly. Forget password. Everything should be done correctly, right? Okay, logo is also bad. It is not correct. Our application is having a correct logo. So we'll do that changes. Okay. Let me check what is the status of anti-gravity. Responsive is done. Potential future enhancement roadmap, web front end features. Okay. In C Sharp, active application context switching, detect which application is currently in foreground of your PC. Example, Premiere Pro, Photoshop. A script and task to code, sign in, and executable with a local self-signed certificate. Okay. Now I want it to work on web application. It has 8 views. Wow. So now I want to work on web application. First of all, make a privacy pages, terms and conditions pages, because that is actually needed, because most of the time Google flags your website if you don't have such notice pages, right? And what else? Then we can actually start on showcasing our application and improve our application showcasing, like in mobile and desktop, like mobile and tablet. I have a website. I have made my own website, quello.online. That I have made something like this. Like mobile and tablet, showcasing buttons and features. and if you want reference, I can provide you like like this.
Though it's knocking me down, I always get up and I'm proud to do what I love. Yeah, 4 p.m. getting up, cigarette, light 'em up, inhale, coffee cup, exhale, wake me up. No getting dressed, cause I'm working bad. Craft inside my hand before I grab the pen. And I watch you people from the inside. I feel cozy, you are running out of time. No, I don't give a shit cause my watch is running on rhymes, not running on dimes. Pardon me if you might feel sore by me, cause you don't have the guts to give it what it needs. Bitch, don't be so sassy cause you can't feel what this life that I choose takes from me. There are some days when I'm not sure what the fuck I'm looking for. Sometimes I get angry, sometimes it don't flow. Sometimes I feel crazy, things that I don't show. But at the end of every day I know I love it though.
And what else we want in our website? Let me use all this ThinkPad online.
Though it's knocking me down,
Okay.
I always get up and I'm proud to do what
What's
I love.
in
Yeah.
don't want white mode. Change log. Roadmap.
Though it's knocking me down, I always get up and I'm proud to do what I love. Yeah.
All legal should be direct, like streampad.online/privacy, not with /legal/. Routing, I want it to be correct so that Google bot can find it correctly. Pricing will be $10. No. Okay, pricing will be in rupees, right? I want it to be rupees currently, and then we can actually target international when I'll create a lemon squeezy account. Okay, currently I have a Razorpay account. For that, I'll take $4.99 yearly. I can do. And $99 quarterly. Monthly, I can add 99. Okay. And what else? Steam pad icon is not correct. It should be same as our products. I think the skew morphism is not correctly used in our program. It should be having same as in folder. What else? What else? What else? For now, we can actually go ahead with this. Otherwise, I don't want to bloat it with too many contents right now. Yeah. Okay. Search is working fine. See? Source is also working correct. Actually, I can't do this thumbnail as a starting. Be right back is also a thumbnail. Main can be this. R2 can be this. So we wanted to make application, right? Before that, let me finish up with this. I also need to have to configure Google SSO right now and then MongoDB. Or no, before Google SSO, I need to configure MongoDB because need to test before adding SSO. Okay, let me add a Mongo. I'm going to fetch for our connection string, so you can't see my screen. So I've seen the code and it has not created .env yet. So I'll next ask it to create a .env so that I can place my credential there. Create .env so that I can add MongoDB creds as well as Razorpay as well as Google SSO. What? I'll take it all. We are live since 1 hour 30 minutes. That's crazy. Let it do something, and meanwhile, let's play some game. I used to play a game called as Smash Cards. Just 5 minutes break, nothing more. Let me see if, yeah. So we are just going to play some game to have a break because we are live since 1.3 hours and things are happening in background, right? Let me check. .env. Yeah, still not created. MongoDB, Razorpay, this and that. Okay, I'll add it later, but still I have to play something. No. That's not one there. Let's go. No. Okay. It's not even 5 minutes, but I think our code is ready. So we should not waste time. Okay, I will give MongoDB URL, this and that, Razorpay, creds, this. Okay. Next auth. Next auth की क्या जरूरत है? There is no need for next auth.
Yeah, I think I need a teaser. If she be a pleaser, baby needs a squeezer. Anybody leads her, she tryna buy my dick. And you biting on my style. Is your name Shark?
Okay. Let me show you my this face alone so that I can configure the threads. Stream pad. Okay, I'll create that. I created a MongoDB DB. Just need to connect that all on us. Copy. Paste. I just need a DB password. Hmm. -1. Shamon. Okay. So I just added it in my .env file. So using archives, now configure, now make our website to log in and save users, log in using SSO, and what else? Take payments and storage up there. Meanwhile, I have to go to Google Console Google Cloud so that I can add a new client. I don't want to show this. Just know that we have to go to Google Client to add a new auth client. Okay. Oh, well, it's okay. Need to create a new threads and our client. And application type will be desktop application. I can add this as a stream pad online. It gave me a client ID, client secret, and client creation date. Okay. Just have to copy this client ID and client secret. Save it in my .env. I can click OK. Now just have to add. Let me check if anything needs to be added here. I think this is it. Yeah. So what is it giving here? So for context, you guys, I have already configured Google client ID and secret so that actually I can do Google login in our application, right? In return, this and that generates claims against other user uploaded content that match the portion of your reference file. In some situation, you want to prevent content ID or claiming that certain, for example, a movie studio might not want to claim videos from the channel and promote its film, this and that. This is maybe coming because I'm playing some songs, right? Let me just change this song. Yeah, I'll take this. Let's go. Let's check it out. Run web app. I need to test. Yeah, let's go. This look bad. I can go to login. Yeah, now I can log in. Signing back into content. Google SEO, make sure you have populated in your web. Also add as an authorized. Yeah, okay. Let's go to pricing. Before pricing, and just why to contact? I don't want contact, man. I'll stream till around 20 minutes more, and then we'll wrap up and do next coding in tomorrow. Okay. After 7:30 also I can do when our Claude is ready. Okay, so for that let me pause, then we'll meet you guys next time. So current status is we have actually added a Google SSO part, but yet to be tested. We have added Razorpay, we have added MongoDB, and we have done some changes, but that changes doesn't look good to that. But we have deployed our web application. That is a good thing. We have made our product a responsive application to be able to see in mobile view. Then we will do marketing of it. So thank you guys. If there was any guys watching, thank you for watching. It gives me motivation for some time at least. Let's go. Thank you guys. Bye bye.